So هون بالنسبة drawing the curve that represents the variation of t as a function of delta L. t as a function of delta L يعني عندي t بده يكون هو على y axis والdelta L on the x axis. The unit is هون in Newton and in centimeter. For example, let us take the particular points. For t equal to 0, delta L is equal to 0. For t equal to 1 in Newton, delta L is 2 centimeter. As you can see, 1 in Newton, 2 centimeter. For T2, 4 centimeter, 3, 6, 4, 8. That's why the convenient scale, how we have to show it when you draw the graph. You have to show the scale, you have to write the parameter here, write the unit within it, and you have to write a title which says that a curve representing the variation of t as a function of delta L. It's not written here, but you have to write it. You have to add it. So هون I prefer that we do not exceed the given values. يعني for example هيدي الجراف خلينا نقول إنه نحن نوصل لهون. أوكي عشان في شيء اسمه T max for any spring so that we do not exceed it by mistake. Until we are given T max so it would be okay. بس أنا هون I don't prefer that we exceed ال 8 centimeter that is given. يعني نحن ما آخر value معنا إياه 4 نيوتن 8 centimeter. I prefer that we stop here. Okay, at this point without this part. Don't forget to write the title as I said. هلا for this part write the equation of the curve. Write the equation of the curve t equal a delta L. The curve is a straight line passing through the origin, right? So you know from math that any line passing through the origin is in the form of y equal ax, where a is the slope. okay, وعندي أنا هون على الواي axis مين هي البارامتر اللي عندي إياها t، ومين عندي على الإكس axis دلتا L. فinstead of y بقول t equal a ضرب مين عندي على الإكس دلتا L. So t is equal to a times دلتا L. السلوب ناخد two particular points t2 minus t1 على دلتا L2 minus دلتا L1 مثل ما كنتوا تقولوا بالمات ya minus yb على xa minus xb. عندنا two particular points. لما t2 كان 1 الدلتا L 2 سنتيمتر، لما t1 0 الدلتا L كان 0. بيطلع معي السلوب 0.5. Note that you can choose any two points from the graph. يعني you can choose points other than these ones. So بيطلع معي equation of the curve t equals 0.5 delta L. Does the curve verify Hooke's law justify? Yes, since it is an increasing straight line passing through the origin. لو ما كان passing through the origin غلط، لو ما كان increasing غلط. It must be an increasing straight line passing through the origin. Calculate in SI unit the value of the stiffness K of the spring. By comparison Hooke's law بيقول لي إنه T equal K delta L. وهون طلعت معنا الإيكويشن T equal 0.5 delta L. وقلنا إنه this equation verify Hooke's law. So by comparison K is 0.5. هون بدي انتبه لليونت، أنا الدلتا L معي إياها بالسنتيمتر. So 0.5 نيوتن per centimeter. We can convert from Newton per centimeter to Newton per meter by multiplying by 100.